Thunder immediately picking up tons of green cues. Very fast collection. Their teammate Flamingo Mafia, a ton of green cues as well. They're going to score some greens in that second goal. They managed to get 4 greens into that goal. Mechanical Thunder picking up 4 greens. You get 35 seconds. You may now switch drivers. Flamingo Mafia trying to get some purples into their robot. Mechanical Thunder with tons of greens in that system. As we get out of the last little bit of this match, we'll see what final points can be scored. Mechanical Thunder going for a park. They managed to get it. Flamingo Mafia, 5 seconds left. And it looks like they got it. Alright, back to the Spirit Builder Q7 here.